The last chapter, chapter 10, miscellaneous provisions. Regulation 54 states that regulations not in derogation of other laws. So that means these regulations are not designed to demean other laws, right? Not to derogate the other laws. The provisions of these regulations shall be in addition to and not in derogation to the provisions of IT Act or the DPDP Act or any other law governing courts, data protection and AI for the time being in force. In the event of any inconsistency between these regulations and the provisions of any other law on the subject, the provisions of such law as may be applicable shall prevail. So this is important, that laws made by legislatures will prevail over these regulations in case of inconsistency. Now, these regulations shall not derogate from any obligation imposed upon courts or judicial officers by the Constitution, any central act or state act, or the rules of the court framed thereunder. So note that these regulations, they are in addition. They impose additional responsibilities and do not dilute the already existing responsibilities. Now, where these regulations afford a higher degree of protection to any person than administrative instructions or directions issued by any authority, the provisions of these regulations shall prevail over such instructions or directions to the extent of any inconsistency. Note the inconsistency here is important, here as well and here as well. Now, power to issue directions. So, Chief Justice or the institutional head may issue administrative directions, circulars or instructions as may be necessary for the effective implementation of these regulations, which shall not be inconsistent with the provisions of these regulations. Power to relax or modify. So regulation 56, power to relax or modify. The Chief Justice may, for reasons to be recorded in writing, relax or modify any provision of these regulations other than any prohibition specified in regulation 20, which is non-derogable, in relation to any specific court, AI system or set of circumstances, provided that such relaxation or modification does not result in a violation of the general principles laid down in chapter 2. So relaxation is also fine, modification is also fine, but it should not violate the general principles that we have laid down in chapter 2. So Chief Justice may relax or modify. Now, any modification proposed in these regulations shall be communicated to the apex body within a period of 2 weeks from the date of such modification. Review of regulations. So this is the last provision, last regulation. The Supreme Court AI committee shall review these regulations periodically. Or whenever necessity arises due to significant developments in AI technology, changes in applicable legislation, or the practical experience of implementation. Every High Court shall share data, feedback, case studies, and recommendations for improvement with the Supreme Court AI Committee on an ongoing basis to enable periodic review of these regulations and to facilitate the continuous improvement of AI governance across the judicial system. So this is it for the regulations. Thank you.